Let us understand the Rhythms device. This is our MR300 device with GSM technology. To switch on the device, click the on switch and click on the orange button. Once the device is switched on, you have to go to the menu key and click on communication settings. Here you have to first set the APN settings as per the network SIM card which is inserted into the device. Once you have set the APN settings, you can save and exit the settings and restart the device once again. After restarting the device, you have to wait for the notification at the bottom left. So here it says, please wait, modem is initializing. It will show a modem ready message once the modem is initialized. See, as you can see, modem ready message is seen. Now the device is ready to send the data. So first, we'll insert a paper roll inside the device. Remove the paper from the slit and click. You can connect the patient cable at the other end. Now let us understand all the features that are seen on the screen. As you can see, here there is an ID number which will be followed with years of the patient, then the heart rate or BPM. This is a patient cable connector. Then there is a signal network strength. You have to always check the signal network strength before sending the ECG data, because if the network is low, the ECG might not be sent. Next is a printer error which will be shown if a paper is not inserted. If the printer head is open, it will show an error over here. This is a charge indication. All these icons, as you can see on the device, are menu icon, add patient, then there is a last patient icon, upload and download. Now let us understand the Rhythms flow. So you have to add a new patient. You have to mention their name, the ID of the patient, the gender, age if any, weight and height. Once all the readings are entered, you have to click on accept to save the readings. So once the ECG cables are connected to the patient properly, you can see the ECG signal on the screen. And when you see a stable ECG waveform, you have to click on print to save the ECG. So as you can see over here in the notification, it will ask you to please wait and save the ECG waveform. So once the ECG waveform is successfully saved, what you can do is, you can click on the last patient key, which is the third key, as you can see, and here you can scroll down to check. So as you can see, 15/11/2024 and time. You can select, this is the patient record which you had saved. You can select this record. Once the waveform is selected, click on the upload key to upload the data. As you can see over here, there is a status bar shown to show you the status of the data being uploaded. Once the entire data is sent to the cloud, it will show you a notification of ECG uploaded So now this is a doctor's application screen. As you can see, the data which was sent just now will be seen with a new tag, and you can accept the data from here. Once the doctor is accepting the patient record, he will be able to see the entire ECG data with all the 12 leads, and he will be provided with the patient details. As you can see, the doctor can change the speed of the ECG from here to verify the data, and he can also change the gain if required. Okay, and once the doctor has his feedback ready, he can click on the analysis and provide his feedback. If you want to mention some kind of remarks, you can provide them as well. And the severity of the ECG is a main clause, whether the ECG is normal, whether it is mild or a critical or a STEMI case. Right now, I'll just click on STEMI. So as you can see on the upper right hand corner, there is a response time given, which is usually of 120 seconds. You can reset this clock to add the timing if required. And now you can select the severity of the ECG, if any, either normal, mild or STEMI, and click on submit. Successfully submitted, you can click on done. In the doctor login, as you can see over here, there is a reviewed reports option given. So all of the reports which the doctor have reviewed will be seen over here. As you can see over here, the recent report which we reviewed, dated 15th November at 12:11, is over here. You can view this report. The analysis and the interpretation which you provided will be the same. This report, if the doctor wants to download, he can normally select the record and he can click on download to download the files. Okay. Now we'll understand the technician's point of view. So this is the technician's login. Here in the dashboard of the technician login is shown. In ECG reports, the technician will be able to see all the records that he has ever sent with date and time. And when the record are reported from the doctor's end, he will be able to see the reported records, which will have a status of reported. If the record is just sent, it will have a report status of sent. The severity will be shown over here, and here there is a print option. When click on print, this is the A4 size print which will be generated, and if the printer is connected to the laptop is connected to the printer, you can just click on print and take a print out of it. The technician also has a mobile application for ease of access of the data. So here there is a mobile application. In his mobile application, he'll be able to see pending received cases. So in pending cases, he'll be able to see all the records which are sent. In received cases, the doctors which have reported the interpretation, those records will be seen over here. As you can see, the first record, this is the reported record from the doctor just now. You can click on view to open the record. So this is the same file with the analysis and interpretation remarks provided. The technician can share the data from here over a mail or WhatsApp, as you can see. Now for the technician to print the interpreted report sent from the doctor's end to the device, he can click on the print to device function. For this to function, what we have to do is, as you can see on the device, there is a download key available. So click on the download key first. Here there will be a 120-second timer which will start. Now take the technician mobile phone and click on the print to device function. So here you can see report is successfully being sent to the device, and on the device there is an analysis window which will open, and it will show the remarks which are provided by the doctor. Once you click on print, You can exit this and click on print ECG interpreted report. As you can see over here, the interpretation is okay, and if there are any remarks that are mentioned over here, you can take this printout and share with the patient.